head, if you look at his hair, can you tell me if it looks real or not? All right.
Do you think my hair is real? Do you think my hair is real?
Have a look at his head and tell me if his hair looks real.
Do you like it though? Thumbs up.
That didn't go too well. Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is, does Scalpmicropigmentation look real? Well, we work in this business, so of course we're going to say it looks real, but does it actually look real? Like, Sammy has got Scalpmicropigmentation on his head. Anyone's welcome to come down to our clinic, but chances are you're not even in this country. So does it look real? I think it does. Like, and the honest truth is, when I first started in SMP, it didn't look real. Like, the day when I was doing my research and that, and I was working as a barber for all them years, and I'd seen it on people's heads, and looking at people's heads, I thought, nah, I can see what you're doing, but like, that ain't quite right. So like, that's why I dug deep, like, for a good 18 months, and just had my head in like a mad scientist, trying to work out how I could make it look real. Sammy's a perfect example of it looking real. He's got that soft, natural hairline. And what do you think, Sammy?
Oh, 100%. I said to Marc, I get people ask me all the time about, you know, the industry we're in, and I say to them, I've had it done, and they can't believe it. They get up close, detail, and they say even when they're up in front of it, they can't tell the difference between the natural hair follicle and the SMP impression. So people are amazed by it, you know. So
because that's the thing when you get close, isn't it?
Yes.
Because even like bad SMP or like mediocre SMP looks kind of alright from a distance, but it's when you get like real close, like, that you can see the difference. Like, I don't think you get close on there, can you? Like, get a little bit closer. Not the camera.
took a big head.
Yeah, so that's Sammy right in close, and you can see like a real soft hairline there, like little scar coming through. You know, and that's without using any zoom. We've just like literally shoved him in there. But right, stop hogging the camera, man. He's hogging the limelight.
Making the most of this opportunity, guys.
Yeah, I don't let him talk much.
Yeah.
So yeah, does it look real? The only real test is to ask strangers. So I'm not very comfortable with this, but we're gonna go on the street.
Let's do it.
And I think basically I'm gonna film it, and I'm gonna get Sammy to ask some strangers, does my hair look real?
A local survey, we'll call it. We'll do a survey.
Yeah. So I'm not sure how that's going to go, but like, keep tuned, and hopefully we'll get some good reactions from people, or if anything, it'll be funny as fuck. Yeah.
Fingers crossed, guys. Yeah.
All right. So wish us luck, and we'll see you in a bit.
Peace out.
Let's go. So we've just left the shop, and here we are. So Sammy's got to think of something to say, like, do you like my head?
Do you like my head?
Well, look, he's got you in a van. Like, ask him.
Should we ask him?
Yeah, go on. Let's have a look. I think I need to turn the camera around. Let me just turn the camera around. Yeah.
Scalp. Do you like it though? Thumbs up.
That didn't go too well. Didn't know what he was talking about.
What? No.
Excuse me guys, right? I'm making a YouTube video. I'm from a place called Creativescalps. Can you help me out, right? Because basically, do you mind being on it? It's like, it's not a trick or nothing, I promise you, right? But his head, if you look at his hair, can you tell me if it looks real or not, all right?
Yeah. Do you think that was just real hair? Yeah.
It's a tattoo.
Oh, wow.
No shit. Do you want to look again? Right.
This is what we do, by the way.
It's what my job is. Creativescalps. Yeah.
I guess I can see a bit, but
But only
pretty
because we
real.
told you.
Yeah, but it looks real. Yeah, it just blends in with the hair follicles. Yeah. When did you get that done? A couple of years ago.
2 years ago, yeah. Yeah.
Fair enough.
So there you go, people. Like, word on the street, they've never seen us before, and they're thinking, who the fuck are these people?
That's exactly what I'm thinking.
If you're on board, yeah.
You should just move down the road.
So that's it. So you're saying it's a thumbs up, that looks real?
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you. All right.
Cheers, guys. Thank you very much.
No worries.
I don't think we're weird.
No.
We're just putting together a little video.
We are,
No, fair enough.
All right, thanks, man. All right.
Enjoy. Cheers, guys.
There we go.
Well, that went all right. So apparently, your head is real.
Thank you.
Yeah. One down. Some more to come.
See you soon.
Right, so, if I was to come up to you in the street, as I am now, do you think my hair is real? Would you look at me and think my hair's not real?
No, before you shaving, I believe that is real.
Do you think I just cut it short?
Yes, I believe it.
You do, yeah. If I was to tell you my hair is a tattoo, it's tattooed on. Would you still believe that? You get up close? Can you see the difference in hair follicle or?
It looks like really hair because you can see really short cut on superficie. So
Yeah, okay. So you would say?
yeah, I would say it is real. Yeah.
Brilliant.
Good
Fabulous.
response. Thank you.
It's a tattoo.
No way.
No way.
Tattoo.
Tattoo.
Not all of it.
But here on back is not tattoo, right? Here on top.
I've got some hair follicle through there. My hairline is tattooed.
Forehead here, yeah.
Yeah, and all through there. This is what we do for a job. We've got a shop up in Crawley,
Well done.
and we're just doing a local survey
Well done.
and asking people out in the street, would they think it was tattooed or real hair?
I don't think he'll need it anytime soon.
I didn't know.
Right, we've got to find someone, Sammy. Come on. Oh,
Sorry. Right. Do you think my hair is real?
Yeah, it's
Obviously, I shave it short. But do you think it looks real?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
Closer look.
Yeah.
What if I told you my hair was tattooed and it's not real?
Really?
Do you believe that?
Let me look again.
You can feel it if you like.
No
smooth.
way.
Smooth.
That's brilliant.
So you'd think that was just real hair?
Yeah, 100%.
There you go.
Good answer, thanks.
Just out with Sammy. Right.
Roaming the streets.
We're going to do a does my hair look real thing. Yeah? We're just thinking what to do. Should we go in the barbershop?
Should we?
Could do.
Go to the barbers?
There's a barber's over there, random. They don't know me. I don't think they know me. Or Sammy. I think we should go in there and ask them. Yeah, let's do it. Does my hair look real?
Let's go.
Yeah, what's happening? I'm just making a quick YouTube video. Can you, as a barber, look at his head and tell me if his hair looks real?
Yeah, but I must have same.
Have a look at his head and tell me if his hair looks real.
Yeah, looks sweet right now from here. Yeah.
Come on the camera.
Real hair? Yes, exactly. That looks 100% real hair.
Nice.
Looks like it. No, it's not.
No.
Is it fake hair tattoo?
It's a tattoo.
Okay, that looks brilliant. Can I get it done as well?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Maybe one day, but it looks good. Looks good.
Come. Yeah, so it's good for as a barber to look and see. Have a look at his head. It looks real.
Think it looks real? Yeah.
It's a thumbs up.
Real, yeah?
Cheers, boys. What's the name of your barbers? You want to shout it out on
Kaya,
YouTube?
Yeah. Kaya Barbers.
Yeah.
Shout out, yeah?
Yeah.
Looks perfect. Good job. It's alright. Maybe I can be as well. Yeah, he needs I need as well, yeah?
Yeah, you need some, yeah. You want to have a real... That's it, it's a thumbs up, Sammy. Your hair looks real in the barbers.
Thank you,
Cheers, boys.
Yeah, thanks
Right.
so much.
Peace. Well, you can't really get better than that, can you?
Not really, that's barbers, isn't it?
It's a barber's, and your hair looks real, mate. You don't have to worry anymore.
Well, you've done it, so thumbs up to you, mate.
Yeah, got lucky on your one.
Cheers.
That's it, people. That's it from us on Does Your Hair Look Real? Give us a shout if you want us to do any other crazy stuff on the street. I don't know what we can do, but drop us a comment, subscribe and like, and we'll catch you later. Say bye, Sammy.
Peace out, guys.
Thank you.
See you soon.